The remote monitoring system is a web-based platform where you can log in and see both any MX and Easy Air units that you may have from Global Power Technologies. The MXs are 6 kVA natural gas generator, so it runs on either natural gas or propane, providing 6 kilowatts for remote industrial applications.
The remote monitoring has a great benefit for customers and to be able to monitor the units and what the status, how much power, if there's any alarm, there's a maintenance due date coming up. So they can look at the trends, and they can look at all the histories. They can even download data from previously, and if there's anything happened to the units, they will also get notifications.
I think some of our clients in particular use it to export how much flow their Easy Air has been producing, so they can use that data for emissions reporting. For the MX, you can do the same thing with the fuel rate, so you understand how much fuel they're using.
Once you log on, the first thing you see, you have a glance of all the units that you have here, like how I'm showing here. So all the units, like here you have MX, you see that this unit is online, how much power is produced, what's the engine parameters, the temperature, the RPM, is there any alarm on that unit, and what's the maintenance hours on this, and there's a site location that unit is located. Same as the Easy Air with if the unit is online, pressure and the flow, alarm, maintenance hours, and location. So you see that this is the detail of the dashboard here. How much power is produced, the engine parameters, all the temperature data here, how long it has been running, and the gas flow, and the maintenance hours. And we also have a simplified P&ID diagram producing kind of the similar information, but in a different way.
It's relatively easy to use. It's very similar to navigating through a web page like you would any other web page, with double clicking on the unit to find more details about that unit, and then there's different tabs that you can navigate through to see more information. And it's accessible through both a web platform and on your phone. The link will be provided to you after you've registered. So the MX is shipped to you with a modem and antenna provided, and then typically there's a SIM card that can be installed. As long as you have cell service, that antenna will send signal up to our server, and then you can use either your phone, laptop, computer, whatever, to monitor from there. And then you can contact gpt@sales.com, and they can help set you up with a login, and then you should be able to access the platform